Dear students, let us start third module, employee safety and health. So meaning of employee safety and health is the state of well-being is not only includes an emotional well-being, it is also the responsibility of every employer to provide health work environment to its employee. So, what is an accident? An accident is an unplanned and uncontrolled event which causes or is likely to causes an injury. It is something which is an unexpected is called an accident. Next one, prevention of accidents or measures to ensure the industrial safety. There are the several ways which accidents can be prevented. The main steps can be taken to ensure safety and security of employees are as follows. Use uses of safety devices, safety committees, safety trainings, signboards and safety drills. So they can also give the prevention by safety devices and also a plant maintenance, precautions to causes of fire, safety officers, employment, safety engineering. They can prevent by personal factors. It includes like age, health, lack of knowledge and skills, improper attitudes towards work, emotional instability such as jealousies, mental various, non-user safety devices, working and unsafe spread, improper use of tools. Causes of accident due to workers like poor knowledge of work, overconfident behavior at the workplace, lack of concentration, trust in work, unnecessary daring, less work experience, use of mobile while working, fear of accidents, bad habits, lack of confidence, not following the rules and regulations. So in industrial accidents takes place due to several reasons arising from people, working condition and other factor also like unsafe conditions. These refers to work related or technical causes like job itself. Some jobs are more dangerous than other. For example, work of mission man, work schedules like night shift has more chances to accidents than day shifts due to sleepless. And another one is psychological condition. Overwork, burden, fatigue, frustration, and disturb concentration and while lead to accidents. And next one, machinery and equipments. Machinery can be defective equipments, unsafe guarded machines, etc. may be causes for these accidents. Unsafe acts are there like operating without authority, failures to uses of safety devices, operating at the unsafe speed, lifting things in improperly, using unsafe equipments. So by these can be have the causes for industrial accidents. They can arise due to lack of knowledge and also skills, bodily defected and faculty attitudes also. So these are the reasons for accidents and how to the way of preventing or avoiding the accidents. Next topic, need for safety. First, we have to know that is in a martial law hierarchy theory. Already you read in UG. As for the theory, the first one is psychological factor, safety factor, and social factor, self esteem factor, and self acquisition. It indicates the first one, the need for air, food, water, health, or shelter. This is nothing but psychological needs. And the second one, the need for safety, shelter, stability. And the third one, the need for love belongs with the social needs. And the next one, the need for self esteem, power, control, recognition. The last one, self acquisition, the need for development for creativity to growth in the industry. So these are called as a need for safety. And the next one, a safety and security needs are about keeping us safe from harms. Those needs includes like shelter, job security, health and safe environment. In safety policies set out our general approaches to health and safety. It explains how you has to be an employer well managing health and also safety in the business. It should be clearly safe who who does, what does, when does, and how does we have to handle the accidents. There is a steps to prevent the industrial accidents like proper safety measures, proper selection, safety devices, enforcement of discipline, and the last one, incentives. So the purpose of this health and safety policies and procedures is to guide and direct all employees to work safety and prevent injury to themselves and others also. Finally, will conclusion this topic, that is an employee safety and health. It is very important and it is also the joint responsibility of all the government of employer and the workers, that is the employer and employee in the organization.